There we go, it's worked. And now this is the next page where you'll need to grab this API key and you can just copy it here. Now, as I'm using WordPress, this is the steps to take for WordPress. But if you're using Shopify or another platform, this will show you some different information. Now, to add the MultiLipi Translate plugin, you just put in MultiLipi Multilingual SEO and it will come up there. And I've already activated it. You'll see it's compatible with the latest version of WordPress, updated 1 week ago. And now if we go back to the MultiLipi plugin, you will see there's a text box for your API key, and all you need to do is paste that into here and go to Save Changes. If I go to Translation Request, you will see here on this chart, it shows a line. Now you can filter the translation request for last 7 days, current month, last month, and yearly. And what this graph represents is how many translation requests have been used for the particular language and the date. So today's the 21st, and technically that would be at the end. So I'm not quite sure why it says the 20th, but perhaps that's because it's in between. I'm not sure. But you can see here that it's got here German 65, and oh yeah, it says 21st of the 2nd, 2025. So it might be easier if they just have a straight line going up instead of one that's going diagonally, which is a bit confusing. Although I'm not the best at graphs, so maybe it's just me. Next up, we have page views. And you'll see there's a map here. And you have some options such as zoom in, zoom out. You can choose a box around the country where you want, lasso select, and reset. And where it's in blue, it basically means that the person that loads a page on our website, the country is logged from where the user originates from. So I've had 1 from Italy and 2 from India. So that's pretty cool to have that. And it even gives you some statistics on the right. So top 50 browser languages, and because it's only been in German and has 65 views. So you can imagine if you have multiple languages, you can see where people are translating the most from. So you can really optimize your website for particular countries that are most popular. So then you get a higher SEO boost for your website.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.